Alright, so today we're going to fix this blowout where I used the nail gun incorrectly, which caused the nail to veer off the edge of the trim and knock off this chunk here. So we save these chunks. For this job we're going to need some wood glue, some tape, and a little bit of patience. First, let's go over why this happened. If you look at finish gun nails, they're cut and they have this angle on them. So if you're using your nail gun, and it's one of those things I know, I just got lazy. If you're using your nail gun and you're nailing like this, that nail head is like this, and it's going to want to go one way or the other when it hits the grain of this wood or it hits the grain of this wood. So to stop from that happening, you turn the nail gun this way, and that has the smooth sides, the straight sides of the nail, and it'll just go straight in. It'll be less prone to veer out unless it hits like a knot or something in there. So to stop that from happening, use your tool correctly in the first place. These things won't happen. So we're going to test fit our pieces in here. We're going to cut that little bit off. What will happen is what we'll end up doing is filling with a little spackle. But I don't want to fill that whole joint if I don't have to. So that'll go in there. And this will go in here. Like that. So we'll glue those together. Maintain that corner. Take our little Dob stick. Deep down, this glue is old, so we gotta find some fresher glue down lower. We're just gonna dab it onto the back of here. A little on the front, that's fine, it washes up with water. I'll let that dry. Now we'll take our spackle. And a lightly damp rag. Just take the tops off. Paint will fill in the rest. And as a note, I've already painted these boards that are up twice, 2 coats. So what we're doing now is we're just taking the imperfections out, doing the final coat. I have to say I'm pretty happy with that. It's not perfect. You can notice there is a slight imperfection right there. Alright, so we got that spot fixed. I've still got to touch up paint the rest of this window here. So I'm going to get after it, and I'll see you in the next video.